Question 1. Which U.S. state ratified the Constitution first? The correct answer is Delaware. Question 2. Who was the only U.S. president to serve non-consecutive terms? The correct answer is Grover Cleveland. Question 3. Which amendment abolished slavery? The correct answer is 13th. Question 4. What was the original name of New York City? The correct answer is New Amsterdam. Question 5. Which U.S. is longest? The correct answer is Missouri. Question 6. Which state was created from another state during the Civil War? The correct answer is West Virginia. Question 7. What year did the Alaska become a U.S. state? The correct answer is 1959. Question 8. Which president signed the Louisiana Purchase? The correct answer is Thomas Jefferson. Question 9. Which U.S. Supreme Court justice served the longest? The correct answer is William O. Douglas. Question 10. Which U.S. state has the most active volcanoes? The correct answer is Alaska. Question 11. What is the official residence of the U.S. Vice President? The correct answer is Naval Observatory. Question 12. Which battle is considered the turning point of the American Revolution? The correct answer is Saratoga. Question 13. Which U.S. state has the highest percentage of Native Americans? The correct answer is Alaska. Question 14. What is the oldest continuously inhabited U.S. city? The correct answer is St. Augustine. Question 15. Which U.S. president issued the Emancipation Proclamation? The correct answer is Abraham Lincoln. Tell your score and comment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, share, comment, subscribe.